All right, let's get this done. So the question there is find dy dx, that's dy over dx, from first principle for this function. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all past questions. There are 4 questions. I want to solve one. Which should I solve? 1, 2, 3, or 4? 1, 2, 3, or 4? I think for all of this is like the most complex. It has cube and square. This one has cube, but it just has my x. So let me know that has both cube and square. If I hang on, if I do this one here, use the same concept to work on this other ones there. All right. I think we've done something like this, Abi? Yes, but we've not done cube. Okay. So let me do this one here, and then you go try these ones on your own. But then again, without solving, using par method, what's the y dx here? Here, the y dx is 9x squared minus 5. Not minus 5 watts. What do you add again? 5 watts. 9x squared. This and this 9x squared minus 5. Here, what's the y dx? 3x squared plus 4x plus what? 1. 1. Constant is off. Don't stress. What's the y dx here? Plus 3. Constant is off. What do I have here? 18x squared plus 7. But now let's use first principle, please. So I'm going to work on this one here. You go work on the other ones there. Okay, more record. Okay. All right, let's do first principle. Please, for first principle, what's my first step? So y plus what there? Change in y is equal to, for here, what do I have here? X plus change in x by what there? 3 now, 3. 3. Plus, for this one will be there? 2 into x plus change in x. All the power there? 2 plus, what do you have here? X plus change in x. All right, so that's it. Very simple stuff. So y change, add change in y to x, add change in x. Okay. I don't think this is a problem. We've done this one already earlier. So the question now is this: if you expand this one, what do you get? Let's do it first. Let's do it first. So I can be very fast. Let's do it this way. Please watch this. A cube is something as A times A times A, which is something as what there? A times A gives you what there? A squared. So please follow me up. In essence, I am saying this. I'm saying x plus change in x all cube is same as saying what there? X plus change in x multiplying x plus change in x all squared. Same thing. If this is true, what I have here is x plus change in x. This man, we already got this earlier. Abi, what's the value there? X squared plus 2x. Hold on, hang on. 2x change in x plus change in x. All right, let's multiply this to get the value of the cube. Let's multiply this to get the value of the cube. So this is equal to, we know the rule there. Use first term, multiply everything. So let's go. Let me expand this a bit this way. X times x squared gives you what there? X cubed plus x times 2x changing x. In this case, this x here will multiply this x. That becomes 2x times x squared. So plus 2x squared. Bring in what there? Changing x. Use this to multiply this. Becomes plus. I have said that x and changing x are not the same thing. So if I multiply this and this, what do I get there? X change in x squared. Please, becomes this and this. That's it. I'm done with x. Let me take change in x. So it becomes plus change in x times x squared gives you what there? All right. So you're always taking the x term first. X squared change in x. Okay. Plus bring this to this change in x here. Oh, there. This change in x here will multiply this change in x here. So that becomes what there? 2x change in x squared. 2x change in x squared. Then finally, this and this. What do you have there? Please check, please. Any like terms? Any like terms? Please check one. Any like terms? Which like term? You can see x squared change in x. You can see x squared change in x. Look at this. X squared change in x. X squared change in x. They're the same thing. So take them together. What do you have here? X cubed. Take the number here is 2. Number here is what there? 1. So 2 plus 1 gives you what there? 3x squared change in x. Plus, please check. Do you have any x change in x squared term? Yeah, that's the one here. What's the number here? The number here. So add them. What do you have there? Finally. All right. So I'll have this on expansion. I'll have this. Let me give you time to write. Take this down, please. Let me give you time to write. Take this down, please. All right, so let's expand this. This becomes y plus change in y is equal to, please, on expanding this, what did you get? X cubed plus 3x squared change in x plus 3x change in x squared, right? Plus change in x cubed. This was from this. Plus 2 into, we have expanded this one before now. What was the value? What was the value? X squared plus okay, plus this way, the chief come. So there. Please don't shake that stuff, okay? What do we have here? X plus change in x. Finally, all right, so we have this. Let's expand further. What do you have there? What do you have here? X cubed. Please, I'll give you time to write. Just watch. You know I'll give you time to write. So just watch. Those of you that are used to, instead of to get a long note and write, you get 2a to write. And you do not just get the 2a, you divide the 2a into 2. How is it going for you? Expand is what you have here. Plus 4x change in x plus 2 and this 2 change in x squared plus x plus change in x minus, back in those days when we see board and we see equation, so board see equation a look at those, oh boy, is this one line, but it's not actually hard if you look at it. Yes, it's long, yeah, but it's not hard, right? People just look at, but see book don't fool, we don't fool, I know, but is it hard? It's not hard now, come on, it's not hard, it's not hard. What's my next step? Right. Move y to the right hand side. All right. So what do you have here? Change in y is equal to x cubed plus. Okay. 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 Plus 2x squared plus 4x change in x plus 2 change in x squared plus x, then all right, then minus y. We're not done yet. What's the next task there? Substitute the value of y. Okay, so I'll put y as equal to, what's the value of y here? X cubed. Okay. Plus x. Next up. All right. So I'm giving you time now. Copy. Please help me impute the value of y. Help me impute the value of y, please. What do I have here? Change in y is equal to what there? X cubed plus 3x squared change in x plus 3x change in x squared. Don't ask quick. Don't ask quick. Plus change in x cubed. All right. Plus 2x squared plus 4x change in x plus 2 change in x squared plus x plus change in x minus 4 minus, I'll put y in what there? Bracket, please. Please help me record the value of y again, please. X cubed 2x squared plus x minus 4. All right. My next task will be to expand the bracket. So I have change in y is equal to what there? X cubed plus 3x squared change in x plus 3x change in x all squared plus change in x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x change in x plus 2 change in x squared plus x plus change in x minus 4 minus x cubed, this and this, minus to plus minus 2x squared minus to plus minus x minus to minus plus 4. Let's see if it cancels out. Minus x cube. Any plus x cube there? So this minus x cube will cancel plus x cube. One man down. Minus 2x squared. Any plus 2x squared? Yep. Minus 2x squared will cancel plus 2x squared. Okay. Minus x. Any plus x? Minus x cancels plus x. Plus 4 minus 4. This cancels this. Means we are on point. So it looks complex, but if you understand how it works, there's no big deal, right? Irrespective of the length of the equation, you know what to expect. Let's pick up what is left. We have change in y is equal to what there? 3x squared change in x plus 3x change in x squared plus change in x cubed plus 4x change in x plus 2 change in x squared plus change in x. That's all. What's the next step here? Divide by change in x. All right, so we have change in y over change in x. That's equal to what there? 3x squared change in x all over change in x plus 3x change in x squared all over change in x plus change in x cubed all over change in x plus 4x change in x all over change in x plus all over finally. So just divide everything there by change in x. Each of the terms there divided by change in x. That's about it. So we'll have that change in y all over change in x is equal to this cancels this. What do you have there?
To get the complete video, simply join the First Year Students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description.